from 44th Street in Camelback. This is the Arizona Daily Mix.
You ever wonder how those Hollywood celebrities look so relaxed? Well, it might be because they are doing yoga with Desi Bartlett, who's here to share her ways of being mental and physically healthy. And we have your book right here, Total Body Beautiful. Kate Hudson actually did a little bit of forwarding for you. So you are the yoga person to the stars. So about the book, tell me a little about the book really quick.
So the book was written with two of my besties. This is Nicole Stewart, she's a Pilates expert, and Andrea Orbeck, who's a wonderful personal trainer, and I teach yoga. So we wanted to come together and offer all of the formats so that people could feel good in their bodies, in their hearts, and in their minds.
I like that. And one thing I like is that the circle mat here plays a big part, am I right?
Yes, absolutely. So I designed this mat with Manduka, and I was practicing one day on a rectangular mat, and I thought, we practice sun salutations. How about the shape of the sun? So just like the Daily Mix, bringing some sunshine in.
I love that. This is so amazing to do. All right, we're going to be doing some moves here, but let's talk about, of course, the mental part of it, which is so important for people.
Yes. So it's really common when we're kind of replaying the past over and over and over. I wish I would have said this. I wish I would have done that. The body kind of does this, right? We're stressed, we're talking to ourselves, we're collapsing. So what I'd love for you to do, Brad, is just join me, feet are hips width apart, and just kind of roll your shoulders back and down.
Oh.
And it's really hard to keep replaying the past in that loop if you're doing this, because I'm bringing you into the moment, and now you can focus on your breath. Can you breathe a little bit deeper? Inhale when those shoulders go up. Exhale down. And now let's take the arms all the way overhead. Inhale up. And I want you to just go down fast.
Oh, all right.
Okay. So we can move the energy, we can move our thoughts so we're not just stuck in, oh, I shoulda, oh, I coulda.
Yeah, and that's some of the moves, that move right there, really, wow, that already worked something there, and that's
Absolutely.
The part about the yoga, is that it's working body parts that you don't realize, but doing it together does help you mentally, doesn't it?
It absolutely helps with the mental state. It helps us to stay focused and present. It's the nature of the mind to jump to the future and here's my to-do list, the never-ending to-do list, or to review the past.
Yeah.
So let's be here now and enjoy.
I like it. Okay, what other some moves do you have for us this morning?
Yeah. So speaking about sunshine, I'd love to just share a little bit of sun salutation. So again, your feet are going to be about hips width apart.
Okay.
Put a little tiny bend in your knees, and let's bring the hands to the heart center.
Okay.
I'm going to ask you to close your eyes for just a moment, and in your mind's eye, envision sunshine. So your favorite sunrise, wherever that is in this world. And now we're going to open the eyes. Inhale, take your arms all the way overhead. Fill your body with breath and light. Now keep that little bend in your knees for me, Brad, and exhale, easy forward fold. You can take your hands to your outer shins. For those of you who are a little more bendy, maybe you reach for the earth.
Yeah, that's not going to happen.
Yeah, it's all good. So I'd love you to, I'd love for your hands to
I'm
be
going to
here.
go right here.
It's perfect because we want support, right?
Okay.
So right here, you're stretching your hamstrings, your lower back, and you're creating space. Now inhale, come up halfway, and I'm going to ask you to stay right there.
Okay.
So right here, start to wake up your lower back and your core. And that's where a lot of our feelings are stored, in that gut, right?
Yeah.
When we feel like deep, deep laughter or deep sadness, it goes into our tummy.
Oh my goodness. So and that's what we don't want to tighten up. We want to more start relaxing. Is that one thing that's important?
We're relaxing with just a little bit of support, right? Because
Yeah.
we don't want to totally collapse. And then fold again, nice and easy. Now come all the way up for me. Fill your body with breath and light, sunshine. Reach up for the sky. Take a little back bend right there, Brad. Lift your heart. Lift the corners of your mouth. Enjoy your body.
Oh, and this feels actually good. This is
And
actually
hands to
something
the
the way
heart.
you should start the morning.
Yes. So yogis have started the morning this way for thousands of years. And so we're tapping into that wisdom and bringing it into the present.
So, all right, let me ask you about celebrities, because we do
Yes.
see they relax. This is the daily routine for them that they go through, because they do have a mental stress on when they're doing movies or TV and stuff. So this is great for everybody. And do you have any celebrities that said, Desi, I'm not doing yoga, I'm okay, I'm all right. And all of a sudden, like, boom, they're all of a sudden like, I got to see you every day.
Totally. So it's interesting. When someone comes to me and says, I'm not flexible, I can't do yoga, I'm like, no, it's just the opposite. Come do yoga and you'll be more flexible.
Yeah.
And it becomes addictive in a healthy way because we love this feeling of, oh gosh, I'm full of energy, I'm full of oxygen, I'm full of light. So yes, they call me and they're like, how about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday?
I love it. Well, you could actually do the, of course, mental and physical yoga with Desi and her friends through the book. And again, the book title is
Total Body Beautiful, Secrets to Looking and Feeling Your Best Over Age 35.
There you go. All right. And information is, of course, on AZTV7 on how you can get the book and how you can find out more about Desi and all the things that she does for not just the celebrities, but for you out there.
Thank you, Brad.
That's good.